colors make the world so fun. Splish and splash for everyone.